Hi everybody. Today let's talk about haikus. So what is a haiku? A haiku is a highly structured poem. Much like a sonnet, it has a very specific form, but unlike free verse, it has a structure to it. You can have a formula. We talk a lot about formulas in this class. So a haiku is a 3-verse poem. It has a 5-7-5 syllable pattern. So that first verse or line is going to be 5 syllables. The second verse has 7 syllables. The last verse has 5 syllables. That would be the whole haiku structure. It has no rhyme either. So let's look at one. 5-7-5. I am first with 5, then 7 in the middle, 5 again to end. Each of these verses contains the right amount of syllables to make an entire haiku. So what do we write haikus about? Haikus can be about just about anything. They're usually about nature, flowers, animals, the weather, and really the entire world around you. So go out there, ladies and gentlemen, and make your own beautiful haikus.